I'm at HEB. So what we're gonna get into is that we're gonna be on a budget. You know, prices are going up on beef, you know, pork, groceries. So we're gonna see what we can get. I'm gonna go for some chicken, some beef, some pork. Anything that I can get that's gonna be low price. That's what I'm gonna go for. So I'm gonna see what I can get, and then I'm gonna end up barbecuing it. But yeah, so the whole point of this is that prices are going up, so let's see what we can get for cheap. Taking a look at the pork section. So let's see what the prices are. They're at $6.87 for this Boston butt right here, boneless, 2 pounds. This ribeye roast right here, boneless, $5.45. I got my eye set on this right here, $5.45. So we're taking this. You know what? Man, that's pretty good. $6.87 for right here, $5.45. Man, let me think about it. I'll put it right there. The ribeye roast right here, $92.79. Yeah, I think I'll pass on this, even though I love to cook it. All right, so I've been looking at these right here, these chuck roast cut rope. So I'm gonna go with this one. This one's $7.09. Delicious right here. When you smoke them and grill them, delicious. These are the bigger cuts. Look at that. I made my decision. I'm gonna go with this ribeye roast right here, $5.45. This right here is hell of a good price. If it's just gonna be for you and maybe another couple of people, but I'm gonna go with that. All right. What are your prices for ground beef? I love the pricing on these boneless Boston butts, especially if it's just going to be you, a couple other people. It's going to be enough. You ain't got to buy the, man, you know, 5, 6 pounds and up. You just buy these. So look at that, $6.18, $6.72. I love these right here, bone-in country style ribs. These are delicious. These are the prices for brisket. What are the prices where you're at? Prime. Pork belly. Delicious beef fingers right here. You got the skirt steaks. Turkey right here. Love this turkey right here. That breast. This is the first time I've seen a whole hog head at HEB. $8.44. Man, this is tempting. Oink, oink. This is tempting. I think I'm gonna hold off on it. I'll come back for you. Don't worry, I'll come back. Man. Got chicken legs, $4.38. You know, chicken's always at that good price, right? So $4.38, 99 cents a pound. All right. So this is gonna be the haul. This is right here. It's at $5.45. Pork ribeye roast, boneless. We got $7.09. The chuck cross cut rib right here. Delicious, delicious. Smoking to grill them. But yeah. So this is all we got. So this is what we'll be taking home, and then we're gonna be barbecuing. This is what we're looking at. Buying on a budget. Alright, so look at that, $5.45, $4.38, $7.09, which total comes out to $16.92. So that's pretty good, right? That's a lot of food right there. Alright. You know, it's pretty good for $16.92. You can't beat that. It'll feed what, 2 to 3 people? I say 3 people, maybe 4. Yeah, so that's what we got. So I did in the video, you did see that I'd also got this, the boneless country style ribs, $5.45. That's cheap too. This is perfect for 1 to 2 people right here alone. But this is gonna be for separate cook, so that's why it's to the side right now. But right here, so all right, so now that I got this right here, we're gonna do a cook, all right? So look out for that video.